Hello, good day to you. If you are new to my channel, let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Daniel. I'm now working for Concourse and BL10, which is electronic manufacturer in Shenzhen, China. And today I would like to talk about Shenback BL10. I have some good customers that are now doing the sharing bag business in overseas countries, and there are more and more customers coming to me asking about the BL10 lock. So I hope this video can help customers to understand the BL10 lock better. And if you have any questions, please leave your comments down below, and I will reply every comments and every questions. And if you have any inquiry, please send to my email daniel.su@gmail.com. And let's get started. Hello, good afternoon. It's Thursday, and today I would like to show you the BL10 lock. I can open the lock to show you. So you can see here is the chipset inside this, and there's a QR code user can scan to open the lock. And we can put this out. Open this. We need to be careful about the cables. So the cables, they are with plugs. We can plug them out. And one more left. So we can totally remove it. So this is the battery. It is rechargeable, 10,000 mAh. 18650. And this is the IoT chipset of the lock. It has built-in GPS, Bluetooth, and also the GSM. And here you can see there is a SIM card. When you receive the lock, you need to open the lock and input your own SIM card here. But for your project, we will install the SIM card for you. For example, if you place order 500 or 10 or 1,000 or even more, like 3,000, 5,000, you send your SIM card to us. So in the production line, we will insert the SIM card for you, and here there will be a plastic here to prevent the SIM card from losing from the slot. Because the back, when people ride the bike, it will shake a lot, so the SIM card may get loose. But in our production line, we will put a plastic here. It will prevent the SIM card loose. When you assemble the lock, we need to notice this. This is between the motor and the lock, and it is very easy to get lost. So we need to be careful about this and how we assemble it. And when we put it back, you will notice it is impossible right here. So the thing that we needed to push this to make space, and then we can put it down. And also this part, we can customize your content. You send us your content, for example, your logo, your website, we can print